Welcome to DIY Creations, your own go-to channel for all things do-it-yourself. Today, we'll show you how to create amazing garden decor from recycled materials. This project is not only fun and creative, but also environmentally friendly as it helps reduce waste by repurposing everyday items. Material you will need: old tin cans, glass bottles and jars, wooden pallets or scrap wood, broken ceramics or tiles, plastic bottles, old tires, paint and brushes, hot glue and glue sticks, scissor and cutting tools, plant soil and seeds. Now steps to create various recycled garden decor. The first one is tin can planters. Clean and remove labels from old tin cans. Paint the cans in vibrant color or pattern of your choice. Drill a few drainage holes at the bottom. Fill with soil and plant herbs, flowers, or succulents. Hang them on a fence or place them around the garden for a splash of color. Next is glass bottle borders. Collect various colored glass bottles. Dig a shallow trench around your garden bed. Place the bottles upside down in the trench, closely packed together. Press the bottles into the soil firmly to create a beautiful sparkling border. Next is wooden pallet garden. Sand down an old wooden pallets to remove rough edges. Paint or stain the pallets for a finished look or leave it natural for a rustic feel. Secure the pallet upright against a wall or fence. Fill the gaps with soil and plant a variety of flowers or herbs. This vertical garden is perfect for small spaces. Next is mosaic stepping stones. Collect broken ceramic tiles or old dishes. Mix concrete according to the package instructions and pour it into the shallow molds. Press the broken pieces into the wet concrete to create a mosaic design. Allow the concrete to set for at least 24 hours before placing the stones in your garden. Next is plastic bottle hanging planters. Cut plastic bottles in half and decorate with paints or markers. Poke a few drainage holes at the bottom, fill with soil and plant small flowers or herbs. Use a string or wire to hang the planters from tree branches or hooks. Next is tire planters. Clean old tires and paint them in bright colors. Stack the tires to the desired height and fill them with soil. Plant flowers, vegetables, or shrubs inside the tires. Place the tire planters in your garden to create a bold and colorful focal point. Now, some tips: be creative. Mix and match materials and colors to create unique designs. Safety first. When cutting or drilling materials, use appropriate safety gear like gloves and goggles. Opt for non-toxic paints and sealant to keep your garden environment healthy. I hope you enjoyed making your recycled garden decor. This eco-friendly project not only beautifies your garden but also promotes sustainable living. Stay tuned for more creative and green crafting ideas. Happy upcycling, and don't forget to subscribe DIY Creations.